Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the oven light bulb in your gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Remove any oven racks that may be in the way. Then unthread the old light bulb. When installing the new oven light bulb, be careful not to damage the bulb by over-tightening when threading it into the socket. Replace any racks as required. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and your gas range should be ready for use.